What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel in another video. Today we're going to be doing a chameleon cell. I saw a student in my chameleon cell class. His name was Jordan, and he used these colors over here that I wouldn't have probably never thought to use myself. But here's the colors: fluorescent orange, we have a lemon yellow, a violet, and titanium white. This is a 12 by 12 canvas. I only need about 5.7 ounces of paint to cover it, but I always use too much, so we're going to do that. Let me layer the colors and then we're gonna get started. How's everybody doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. I've been trying to figure these blooms out in Arizona. And the humidity is, it's so dry here that my cell activator cracks every single time. So I don't know exactly how to fix that. Oh my goodness, that's twice now. All right, well, wouldn't be a pour of mine without a big, huge mess. All right, well, there's no silicone in these colors, so, I guess that's okay, right? But yeah, like I was saying, the cell activator is cracked every single time, and I don't know how to prevent that. So if anybody's got any helpful hints, that'd be great. I did add GAC 800 to the second set, and it's still cracked, so something about how fast it's drying. I know the cell activator is much thinner than the rest, but man, I'll clean that up in a second. But I didn't think it would, be that big of a deal. But I reached out to a couple people and haven't really heard much back yet, but everybody's got their own lives. But yeah, if you have any ideas, just let me know in the comments. That'd be great. Trying to figure it out here so that I can help others learn it too. So yeah, these were the colors that Jordan put together, and they were really awesome. Really cool color palette that I probably wouldn't have chose, but here we are. Let me clean these purple off my fingers just a little bit, since I'm making messes already. All right, I'm gonna set this off to the side. And actually, no, I'm just gonna splatter it. Yep. All right, here we go. Well, see, I wanted to make a mess and didn't make a mess. And then when I don't want to make a mess, I end up spilling my paint everywhere. Such is life. I am going to use this as kind of a set of colors for the flip cut to travel along. That's 5.7 ounces. We didn't quite have that in this cup. This is a 5-ounce cup. All right. But I think you can see like the way these colors kind of go together, just because of the way I'm putting the paints down on canvas. They really look good together, like really good. All right, well, let's flip this thing out and see what we have. Oh, that is beautiful, you guys. Really dark purples, really light oranges. I love it. It's beautiful. All right. I'm gonna let this thing settle just a little bit and pop these bubbles. There we go. Center this, and we should be able to get to spinning. Yeah, I really like this really cool wispy stuff going on. All right, just a light spin. Oh man, that looks really cool. I think instead of just continuing this spin, I might just tap on these corners to get some of this paint to cover it. So I'd like this purple and white. I'm gonna lose some of it, I know that, but if I can just keep most of it on there, at least for now, that would be great. All right. Yeah, so this is the color palette he chose, and it was amazing. Let me see, I got a little bit over here I gotta touch. All right, let's stop it. There we go. All right. Now I'm gonna take my little OGX coconut milk hair serum and put some on the bottom of a cup. I don't have any more lids, so I'll put some on the bottom of the cup. Just a little bit, and then I'll just start dotting it on. This is a dotting tool from Michaels. I found that it takes a little bit less silicone up per time I poke it, so that way I can kind of control how much oil I have when I have to do cleanup later. Oh, there they are, you guys. There's those cells. Yeah, but the classes were so much fun. Being able to interact with you guys in person. And we all we did the 3-hour class and then went out to lunch afterwards and kind of got to know each other a little bit better. It was really cool. A lot of awesome people. As you can see, the silicone goes a long way. You don't have to keep reapplying it to the stick. Then I'm just gonna let this coconut milk hair serum spread and see if there's any patches that we need to maybe touch up later. A lot of the students, they were being really intuitive with it too. They were following lines of gradients, kind of like I've done in the past, like the lines inside the painting itself after the pour. And I thought that was really, really cool. We had a whole bunch of really cool art come out of that class. And we're already hard at work over here working on potential Zoom classes and stuff to try to help for those that couldn't make it, because it is quite the investment to go to one of the courses. I understand that. So we're trying to make it so that we can have a little Zoom thing going on. You get a material list and we all kind of paint together, where you can ask your questions and stuff if you're having issues, and we can solve them kind of like in a live setting. I think that would be really cool and helpful for you guys. These colors are really cool together, especially that really deep purple and orange. I don't know what it is about those two colors, but they look really good together. Oh man, it's coming along. So where in the world are you watching this video from right now? Some of you might have noticed that it had been a couple days, I think 4 days since I did the last video. And that was because I somehow got a hole poked in my eye, in the blue part, the cornea, is that it? Oh, iris. And I don't know how it even happened. I just woke up one morning and my eye was super irritated. And had to go to the ER, and they put all kinds of dye in my eye and told me that I had a hole in the iris of my eye. And then they said I should understand how I did it, but I have no idea, to be honest. They said it could have been like a feather type pillow, but we don't have that. So I'm not even sure, but yeah, I've been trying to like rest my eye, get some healing going on in it before I continue to do some videos, and at least now I feel like I can see without my eyes watering like crazy, because I mean I was having a hard time just keeping my eyes open. So I was definitely missing painting. It's my Zen time. But yeah, look at all these really cool colors just from those, you know, the orange and the violet and the yellow. Really cool. Right now I'm just putting a little bit in the corners here, making sure everything kind of looks pretty uniform. Yeah, I think we're almost good. There's a couple patches I'm probably gonna go over, add just a little bit more oil to it so the cells can grow. Because sometimes they don't want to grow, they're stubborn. But we'll get them there. Yeah. Let's see what's going on under there, 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 there. All right, I think that's just about it. Well, I'm gonna let these cells grow for about 20 minutes or so. They should stop growing at that point. And then we're gonna bring you guys down and see the wet and dry version. And the cells have pretty much grown as big as they're gonna get. But I really like all the colors that are within these cells. Really cool, really high vibrance. They're very bright and brilliant colors. Can't wait to see this dry. Everything in this dried really well. Very, very happy with this. And each cell has its own little crazy patterns going throughout them. Something I really enjoy about chameleon cells. If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.